Let's talk about something that can feel, well, pretty daunting for any family: money. But we're going to try and reframe it. Turn it from a source of stress into a simple, powerful, and daily ritual that builds financial confidence for life. Okay, let's dive right in. Does this sound familiar at all? It's that phrase we all use to just push those tricky financial conversations down the road. And it's completely understandable, right? Life is busy, and talking about money can feel huge, especially with kids. We think we need the perfect time, the perfect plan. But what if we could just flip that thinking on its head? Let's challenge the idea that this has to be some big, formal discussion. What if it could be easy, spontaneous, and start, well, how about right now? And, here's the best part. You don't need spreadsheets or textbooks for this. Not at all. This isn't about becoming a financial expert overnight. It's about creating a simple, tangible experience. You really just need a couple of household items and, like, a few minutes. First thing you need, 3 simple jars. They don't have to be fancy. Any containers will do, seriously. The power is in what they represent. And the second thing, just 5 calm minutes. That's it. That is a tiny investment of time for what turns out to be a huge return in your family's financial confidence. So let's get to the setup and see how this all builds. It's just 2 super simple steps. First, you grab your jars and label them. One for spend, one for save, and one for share. Then, and this part is really important, as a family, or even just for yourself to start, write down what each of those words truly means in your home. This is all about defining your values. Now let's redefine these terms a bit. Spend isn't about mindlessly using up money. No. In this system, spend is about joy. It's for the ice cream after a soccer game, the movie ticket, that small little treat that just brings a smile. It teaches that money can be a tool for happiness. Next up is save. But instead of just seeing it as putting money away, we're going to frame it as patience. Saving is the practice of delaying gratification for a bigger goal. It's the physical act of learning that, waiting can lead to a greater reward, whether that's a new bike or a family vacation. And finally, we have share. This is where we connect money to generosity. This jar is for contributing to a cause you care about, maybe helping a friend or giving back to the community. It teaches that part of having resources is the ability to make a positive impact on the world around you. So with these 3 jars, you've actually done something incredible. You've made these abstract concepts, joy, patience, generosity, visible and tangible. This isn't some one-time lecture. It's a daily reminder of your family's values. It turns that whole "we'll talk about it later" thing into a simple, ongoing ritual. And hey, this isn't just for the kids. By engaging with these jars yourself, you, the parent, are modeling 3 absolutely crucial things: structure, by showing you have a plan for your money; peace, by approaching finances with a calm intention; and purpose, by showing that money is a tool for really meaningful goals. And here's the beautiful outcome. Kids are basically sponges. They learn so much more from what we do than from what we say. When they see you consistently and calmly putting money into these jars, they just absorb those habits. They will mirror that structure, that peace, and that purpose in their own lives down the road. So the most important point is this entire ritual, these 3 little jars, they aren't ultimately about dollars and cents. You're not just teaching about money, you're teaching calm confidence. You're building a foundation of emotional security and competence around a topic that, let's be honest, causes anxiety for so many people. And that confidence, it isn't built in a day. It's built with every single coin dropped into a jar, every small decision that's made. It's the consistency of these small actions that creates a really profound and lasting mindset. Each drop in the jar is basically a drop of confidence. So let's end with a question to bring this home for you. Based on your values, your goals, or maybe just what feels right today, if you had $1 in your hand right now, which jar would you fill first? Spend, save, or share? Really think about it. The answer reveals a lot, and it's the absolute perfect place to start.